got an extra parachute cover for you, so we don't have to track any water inside. Hello! Here you're having some issues with the heat, right? Go ahead and kick it on at the thermostat for me. I'll kick her on here so that nest turns on upstairs. Just set it to heat, turn it way up.
Okay.
And we will start running through her. I've got a draft motor that is just a little bit seized up. So, call this guy the draft motor, and it is supposed to spin a lot freer than that. I did get a little bit of that noise you were talking about. So we have got a seized up draft motor. This would be what was causing that smell you were noticing. She gets a little bit hot as she runs. Just needed a little bit of love. Have you ever had this furnace cleaned out before?
I have no idea.
It's all right. She's a little bit dirty in here, but you know, basements, they tend to hold a lot of dust. Definitely good that you shut it down, because this was a very easy fix today, but had you let it keep running, what happens is that motor will actually burn out from the inside out. In which case it's a 7-day wait usually to get one of these guys in. And I think it's only supposed to get colder. So she's not that terribly old. She's just about 10 years old at this point. Usually you can see 20, 25 years out of a furnace, depending on how well you take care of it. So at this point, she's just about middle-aged. So not a bad idea. You know, every spring, summer, fall, pick one. Go ahead, have this guy cleaned out. Air conditioner is probably the same age, I would imagine. Have you had that changed out? Not that you're aware of. Okay, then usually a good idea for that AC too. ACs have to work a lot harder, so you might get 20, 15 years out of an air conditioner where you could see 25 from a furnace. But might have been those bearings. That might have been the start of them kind of acting up. As they fail, they'll adjust position, and the metal fan on the back will actually hit the base plate. So you'll get a little bit of a clapping depending on what part of the cycle you're in. She sounded pretty good. That's actually heat on and running for you, my friend. Picture that. It should be good to go. When I kill the power, you'll have to reset the thermostat again. Other than that, you are ready for some heat.